Limbs from tongue not drained by following vessels: A. Central, B. Ventral, C. Posterior, and D. Marginal. The correct answer is option B, which is ventral. The limbs from the tongue not drained by following vessel is ventral. Taste receptors: A. Primary taste sensations are spatially separated on the surface of the tongue. B. Are a type of chemoreceptor. C. Are innervated by afferent fibers of 5th, 7th and 9th nerve. All of the following. Correct answer is option B, or a type of chemoreceptor. Jugulo-homohyoid lymph nodes drained at A. the middle ear, B. the anterior scalp, C. the tongue, and D. the upper face. Correct answer is option C, which is the tongue. Jugular lymph nodes drained into tongue. The taste sensation are a type of chemoreceptors. Inferior dental artery is a branch of A. mandibular artery, B. maxillary artery, C. pterygomandibular plexus, and D. none of the above. The correct answer is option B, which is maxillary artery. The middle meningeal artery A enters the skull through foramen O, where supplies the supralateral surface of the ipsilateral cerebral hemisphere. C. runs a subdural course within the cranial cavity, and D. gives an interior branches which runs deep to the terium. The correct answer is option D. It gives an interior branches which run deep to the terium. I repeat, the inferior dental artery is a branch of maxillary artery. The middle meningeal artery gives an interior branch which runs deep to the terion. Cavernous sinus does not communicate with A. ophthalmic artery, B. internal jugular vein, C. external jugular vein, and D. pterygoid plexus. The correct answer is option C, which is external jugular vein. The artery which runs along the lower border of the posterior bale of digastric is option C, which is occipital. The artery which runs along the lower border of the posterior bale of digastric is occipital. All of the following are true of maxillary artery except A. The branches of the maxillary artery accompanies the branches of the maxillary artery. It is one of the terminal branches of external carotid artery. It passes deep between the two heads of lateral pterygoid muscle into the pterygopalatine fossa. It is the arterial supply of mandible. The correct answer is option A. So all of the following are true of maxillary artery except the branches of the maxillary artery accompanies the branches of the maxillary nerve. The right anterior quadrant of the scalp is supplied by the following artery except A. right supraorbital, B. right supratrochlear, C. right superficial temporal artery, and D. right maxillary artery. The correct answer is option D, which is right maxillary artery. The right anterior quadrant of the scalp is supplied by the following artery except right maxillary artery. The ophthalmic artery is a branch of A. maxillary artery, B. sphenopalatine artery, C. internal carotid artery, and D. external carotid artery. The correct answer is option C, which is internal carotid artery. Ophthalmic artery is a branch of internal carotid artery.